It's time to unbox this. You see? You okay, Mila? For me, when it comes to diaper bags, it needs to be small. I am not the person that carries 10 million things everywhere. This time around, I focused a little bit more on like the style and the aesthetics of my diaper bag. This ad kept coming up. It's the Ayla Co Diaper Bag. This is actually the mini version. So rip it open. Here's the color of it. It's called Ivory, and you can compare it to the white dress. It's like an off-white, very creamy color with gold accessories all around. I'm gonna have to get up in a second so I could wear it. Oh my gosh, we're gonna go through the diaper backstage again. Okay, we got this. These expand, which is really good for water bottles and things like that. Front pocket is magnetic, and I'm noticing that they have numbers on them. You can see here it has a little 1 on it. See what that's all about. Okay. First impression is that you can see everything that you're gonna put in here. Not gonna be any digging. There's numbers everywhere, so I can tell my husband, look in number 3, it's right there. Built-in wallet, which is gonna come in handy. This whole thing comes off to wash as well. You have a really big pocket here. There's 4 pockets, so like 2 on the front, 2 in the back, and then the insulated bottle pockets on each side. You can kind of see them right there. So far, so good. Now let's put it on. I'm gonna need some help getting it from the floor. Okay, so I can wear it as a purse like this, like over my arm, or I can put it over my shoulder, just like this. Look at this bump, you girls, it grows so fast. A messenger bag, I can do this too. That's cute. You think it'll work as a backpack? Let me try. Oh, yes, it will. And it's small. This is the mini version, which I love. It's very compact and stylish as well. Up next, we gotta fill this puppy up because baby girl's coming in less than 3 weeks.